cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Andoer 4K camera. This is the camera my boyfriend bought for me for my Christmas present that just arrived a week ago. Like, oh, the struggles of living in the Bahamas. But anyhow, this is the camera right here. This will be unboxing. I already opened up the box and run through it and everything because I was totally excited. I don't know if this really is a good camera, but we will tell, because from after this video here on after, I will be recording my videos on it, and if it's a good quality, I'm totally excited and I'm happy. My boyfriend tried, he did his best. He don't know anything about cameras and everything, like what I would have purchased for me, but he did his best and I appreciate it a lot. So let's unbox it. I already have this in shambles, so excuse me, okay? So this right here, this is the lens cleaner that it came in. Every time I put it, I can just drop it right there as I go. This is a little pocket, a little sack, what do you call, suede bag with lens came in. This is the lens right here. This is the wide angle lens that this camera comes with a protective lens cover. This is the lens right here. Pretty nice, right? Cool, right? Love it. This is a charger cord, but it does not come with a adapter. That's what it does. It doesn't come with an adapter. So that's the downfall about this camera. I have to use like my phone adapter or my boyfriend's phone adapter in order to charge this phone. But hey, that's one. So I give it 4 stars already on this camera. This is the cord to hook up the microphone onto the camera. So this is the little jack thing right here that it came with. I don't know what this is for, but I guess it's to hook up the camera to the computer or maybe to the TV. I don't know. Something like that. I don't know. This is the microphone like right here. It comes in this white clear bag. So yeah, this is right here, the little microphone. And it comes, you have to get like a battery, them small little batteries in order for it to work. But yeah. Pretty nice. And also it came with a battery. So this is the battery right here for the microphone. You can put it in right here. So I'm going to put it in right after this video so I can start recording off of there. So yeah, let's go. Oh, okay, so let's get to the camera. This is the camera right here. It came in this bag, cute bag. And I wish the bag had like a little strap or something like a carry on over my, put on my shoulders, like make it into a little purse or like into a fanny pack. It would have been cute if this bag went into a fanny pack. Yeah, cute, right? Yeah, but it doesn't come in any strap. It looked like it's supposed to, because it's right, like that. But I don't know what's going on. And this was the camera came in the same little bag. So I just put it back in just to do this video. Camera right here, the Andoer 4K camera. That's how it looks on the other side. The battery comes fully charged. Easily used camera actually. I can push everything on the side. So cupcakes, the cool thing about this camera is as soon as you open it, it turns on. You heard it? You heard that? Like, I hope y'all heard that. But because it turns on. So this is the camera right here. That's how it looks. It's also touch screen. So let's do a little talk with this camera. This is the 4K camera. It has nice shot. So I can show you all nice shot right now. This is the nice shot right there. It also can flip. You can flip it. This is how it looks flip. Y'all could see me. Hey. So with this nice shot vision, you can use this when you're trying to find your man and you want your ghost move, trying to catch him cheating. You go in the bush and you hide out. Caught the video. Yes. So that's the nice shot right there. And also Wi-Fi comes. You can connect to Wi-Fi. It says beauty. I don't know what beauty means. Just say beauty. And then the maximum of 48.0 megapixels. So yeah. So back to regular. This is the camera. Nice. I don't know if it's a good quality camera or not, but we will tell. We will know. This is the part. This is like right here where you put the microphone, attach the microphone onto. So I'm gonna touch it one time because I ain't got time for that because I have to go out. Okay, it's attached. So yeah, that's it right there, and I just gonna connect. Maybe the damn thing. Oh, I just connect it now. Sure, I connect it as I go. So yeah, this is the camera. It's lightweight. It's really lightweight. It isn't really heavy. Easy to carry. I got an angle. Oh yeah, it's touch screen. So my fat fingers. Excuse my fat fingers, but anyhow. So this is so that's all that came in the camera. That's all the camera came with. It didn't came with a SD card. So we had to do stop by and go to an electronics store and purchase an SD card. And SD cards over here are very expensive because right here he paid $21 just for 16 gigabytes. He didn't know. So, you know, I told him that the 16 is so small. I need something bigger. But anyway, so if you know 16 is $21, you can imagine like a 34 or 64 gig. Expensive. So yeah, that's the struggle for living in the Bahamas. And plus you pay 7.5% back. So that sucks. And also, last but not least, it also came with user manual. I already read everything from the manual so I could get to know the camera and know how to use the microphone and everything. So yes, I love it. So far I like his camera. I don't know if the quality is good. Like I said again, I'm gonna repeat that again and over and over and over. But we will find out soon to come. So we're gonna flip this. So I'm gonna use this today because I want to go on the beach and everything and just have a good time today. So I will be vlogging today. Anyhow, cupcakes, thanks for watching and see y'all again until my next video. Like, yeah. Bye.